everyone, I'm Shruti and I'm a digital marketer with 5 years of industry experience. And today in this video, I will review Digital Nest School of Business. It is one of Hyderabad well-known training institute. So I will measure it across 10 parameters, including the duration, placement, and all. And let's see if it truly delivers what it's promised or not. But before we dive into the digital marketing by this institute, let's talk real about the digital marketing. So, in case you are really serious about digital marketing and you want to go with my recommendation, which I personally trust and love, it is linked at my description box because it's a course that comes with a 100% placement guarantee and the money back guarantee as well. And they have 1,000+ hiring partners globally, and they have HubSpot and Meta certifications too. So you can even check this out course linked in my description box, and you can give it a chance as well. Now coming to the course review of Digital Nest, then let's check what they're providing and what they're not. Then if I go to the course highlight, then they have 6,246 plus students have trained, and they have 3,000 plus career transactions. They have mentioned it here. They have 23 plus courses offered in their course, and they have flexible learning, including classroom, online, and e-learning. Now, they have also won some awards in 2024, 22, 2018, and 17 as well. Now, if I check their courses and programs, then they have multiple courses here, including graphic designing, HR management, and all related to the digital marketing itself. And let's go to the course very. For digital marketing only, they have 3 to 4 courses, which is PGP program, and the Certified Digital Marketing program, and the Digital Marketing Basic program. So they have 2 months of bootcamp program, digital marketing, and then the other is Certified Digital Marketing program, which is for 5 months, and the last one is CG program, which is for 8 months. Right, and the difference is they all have the live classes and the case studies and the mentorship, but the duration is different. Now let's go to the boot camp program. So this is one of the basic programs they have. This is a boot camp, and you will learn the basics of digital marketing, SEO, SCM, social media, email marketing, analytics, everything marketing, and more. And it is all through the live case studies and real brand projects like Netflix and all. They have mentioned it here. They have mentioned the brand projects like Netflix, Sugar Cosmetics, Blinkit, Zomato, and Spotify, etc. And if I talk about the learning modes and the login flexibility, then you can choose in portion classes in Hyderabad as well, which is Amarpreet and Madhapur. Or it is also conducting online via Zoom or Teams with recorded lessons. And every batch starts with a free guide to give a feel of the free code structure and the teaching style and the LMS navigation. And if I talk about the trainers and all, so their faculty is coming from the professional background. The training is led by experienced mentors like the Vikram Pratap Singh, Santosh Sham, Rahman Manohar, and all. They are embraced for clarity and support, but we don't have an idea because they have not given any of the public profile like here. And if I talk about the certifications and all, so you will receive the certification from this institute, but they have not mentioned the other certification which should be there, and it is not providing the AI modules into their course, which is the weaker point here. And the placement and the support features, they're providing a promise of 100% placement and internship supports. Their teams run mock interviews and the resume makeovers and provide access to the proprietary job role. And so basically, you will get a network community of 6,000 plus alumni, and the tools and the project works. It is expected to for the real world deliverables like using campaigns, like marketing campaigns, strategy plans, and using platforms like Google Ads, Canva, WordPress, all coupled with mentorship and hands-on capstones. This is practical marketing, not just theory. So if I talk about the reviews and reputation, Digital Nest holds a positive reputation. The if it is not that much popular, but the reviews praise the trainers, clear teaching style, and the practical outcomes. But if everything looks appealing, but the course fees are not publicly listed, but the course fee is slightly higher than the others. It is 30,000 something, and you will need to you will need to the placement seems sounds strong, and but I would suggest to validate it with the alumni directly or taking placements perhaps, right? Now, if I talk about, so basically this course, this multi program is suitable for the basic people. But if you have little bit time, then you can go with the PGT program because it is another course that they are providing with the placement guarantee, and it is coming with the AI curriculum, and it is slightly advanced. Also, basically, if I talk about my honest verdict, then the course curriculum in Relevant is ranging from the basic to advanced. So I can give it one because they have covered the AI modules in their PG program. Then the certification and recognition is not that much clear. I can give it 0.5. The mode of learning is flexible, but you will flexible. The trainer's expertise and just experience is not clearly mentioned. The knowledge of tools and access is quite good. Placement support is there, career guidance is there, but they have not provided any of the money back guarantee or any lifetime access to the LMS is not there. The course duration and fee structure is also nice because this is slightly cheaper. And the after course support, they have not clearly mentioned. I will give it 0.5. And then the reviews and reputation is not that much good. Hands-on learning and the faculty exposure is there. So I can give it basically the course. So basically, the score becomes 7.5 out of 10, which is not bad or which is not that much great. If you want, then you can go with this course, but you can find better options in comparative to this. Now, if you want a course that can help you to get a 100% job guarantee and the money back guarantee as well, then you can definitely go with my recommendation. Link in the description box. Please give it a chance and compare it with the others. And then, if you have any doubts, just please leave to comment below. I will personally reply to all of you with all of the possible solutions. Till then, I will see you in the next video with another institute review. Thank you for watching.